Hello, my genital jousters. Look in the sky.
Oompa rain!
No, 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 no. Not that one. This. Melanie has travelled to a picturesque seaside town to see Mitch, but the moment she arrives, she's attacked by a bird. There's a chemistry between Mitch and Melanie, but his mother has misgivings. Later that day, the house where Melanie is staying is hit by another bird, like it's some sort of catalyst. The next couple of days, starting with a children's birthday party, turns into a living hell. What started as isolated incidents, the birds are now swarms of predators.
Help me get the children into the house.
Why would they do this? Well, think of it this way. Look what Colonel Sanders does every day. We cage them, we torture them, we eat them, we kill them for sport. Why shouldn't they get their own back? Tippi Hedren is the poor bastard at the centre of this. Rod Taylor as the man in her eye. Jessica Tandy as the overbearing mother. And a young Veronica Cartwright. This, the shape of things to come in her career. Mr. Hitchcock was riding on a wave after a long line of successes. He had finished Psycho, and after so much print on the subject matter, his insistence on making it, and how he got the last laugh in the face of all who criticised, he was able to take on any damn thing he wanted from there on. And studios jumping over hoops to get a piece of that action. As you can imagine, the technical challenge, the visual effects and matting were off the page. This after the decade that gave us Godzilla, Them and Tarantula. There was an actual event in California in 1961. Mr. Hitchcock took this for a change of location from the Cornish seaside in the book. The hell that Hedren went through in the shoot is part of legend. While it initially received mixed reviews, moods over the passage of time have certainly changed. While not uniquely equal to Psycho, The Birds has been praised as a masterpiece.